Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Niqua. Today I have a fun nail tutorial for you guys. I woke up this morning and it just clicked in my head and I knew what I was going to do for you guys this week as a nail tutorial wise. And so before you continue watching and I continue doing what I'm doing, go down below and subscribe to my channel and wait until you watch a little bit more. And then if you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit subscribe down below. Please don't forget. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So I'm excited to do this week's nail tutorial, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started and without really talking. So the base coats that I did for the nails, so on the index finger and pinky and thumb they have a white base coat, 2 coats of that, and I use LA Colors Color CRAZE Energy Source. And then on the middle finger and wedding finger, I used my homemade translucent white or milky white that I made at home with a clear polish. So I use that and I put 3 coats of that because it's very translucent, so I want to make that opaque. So I did that on the middle finger and wedding finger. Next, I used on the middle finger and wedding finger, I used Pure Ice First Love. It's like this pearlescent polish, which I think works perfectly for this nail tutorial. So I applied one thin coat of that on top of the 2 middle finger and the wedding finger. So in between the different coats of the wedding finger and middle finger, I let it dry. So I let that dry a little bit, and then now I'm going to apply LA Colors Unicorn Sparkle on top of the Pure Ice First Love that I did on the middle finger and wedding finger. And I applied like only 1 good coat of the Unicorn Sparkle on those 2 nails. So I'm going to let those 2 nails really dry because I'm going to do some nail art on top of that. And so I'm going to jump over to the index finger, pinky, and thumb because this is going to have the same nail art colors and stuff on these 3. So on these 3, it's going to have this swirly shape on the base of these colors. So I added that white so all the colors be opaque. So first I used a purple, which I use SINFULCOLORS Tempest, and I make sure the colors are light if you recreate these yourself. And so I just made like a swoosh shape into the nails for each color. So I started with the purple at the cuticle and made a swoosh look. And then follow along with that swoosh, I did a blue-green. So I used as a color that I had, and it's from this nail rock color thing I had a long time ago. But I used that color. If you recreate these, do a blue-green color, and this color is called Neptune green, and I did that swoosh right under the purple. The next swoosh color that I'm going to do on these 3 nails is a yellow, and I use Pure Ice Showstopper, and I did that swoosh feel. And each of these colors should have 2 coats. You're probably going to need 2 coats to make sure they're opaque. So yeah, I just went and did 2 coats, FYI. Right at the end, at the tip of the nail, and the rest of the swoosh is a coral color, and I use Sally Hansen's Coral Reef for that. once that was dry a little bit, you gotta use it. I then put 2 coats of LA Colors Unicorn Sparkle or Unicorn Sparkle. I wish they really would have named this differently than Unicorn Sparkle. But I put that Unicorn Sparkle on top of the colors that I did and on the index finger, pinky, and thumb. And I did 2 coats. Next, I let it dry a bit, and the only nail art I'm going to do on top of these are stars. So each nail gets 3 stars. So with a white, which I use LA Colors Color Craze Energy Source, and I applied 3 hearts in each of those 3 nails. Then as the white dry, I outlined it in black, which I use LA Colors Color Craze Circuit to outline the stars so they can shine from the background and be up front. Everything, I applied Sally Hansen's Disco Ball, and I applied that on top of all of the white stars on the index finger, pinky, and thumb. Now we're done with those 3 nails, and we're going to jump over to the pointing finger and middle finger. So these nails, I'm going to do some nail art, and I'm going to do some easy unicorns on these 2 nails. So I'm going to map out the shape of the unicorns that I did. So on the middle finger, I shaped out the face of the unicorn on the middle finger and the ears with a white, which I use LA Colors Color Craze Energy Source.
Another day to live through.
And then I did the same thing on the wedding finger, but I used LA Colors Color Last Never Ending Pink on the wedding finger. Once I shaped everything out and made the white and the pink opaque, I then went ahead and outlined what I want. So I outlined the hair part, outlined the ears, outlined the unicorn thing on their head, outlined everything in their eyes, outlined everything in black. So I used LA Colors Color Craze Circuits Black to outline on both the middle finger and wedding finger. So now the section that I shaped out on the face was where the hair is going to be. I use the same type of colors that I did on the index finger and pinky and thumb on the white unicorn on my middle finger. So I use SINFULCOLORS Professional Tempest for the purple. And then the green blue was that nail rock color, blue-green color, Neptune green. Then the yellow was Pure Ice Showstopper. And then the coral is Sally Hansen's coral reef for that. But as I had out the Neptune green and the yellow showstopper, I applied that colors onto the pink unicorn, which the hair is just going to be that green and the yellow, and which I think it really popped from the pink, and it made these two unicorns look special and cool. Okay, so for the inner parts of the ears and the thing on the unicorn's head, I don't know what it's called, but you know what it is. And so it's gonna be two different colors. So on the white one, it's gonna be gold. So I applied Sally Hansen's Go for Gold onto the middle finger unicorn, which is the white unicorn. Then on the wedding finger unicorn, which is the pink one, I used a purple, which I thought would be perfect. It was from the Live Love polish, and it was the color changing purple, temperature changing purple. So right now it's pretty light, and but as you warm it up or whatever, it changes the color of the purple. So I thought that would be cool for this unicorn, and it's like unicorn magic. So I applied that on the pink, the wedding finger pink unicorns in a part of the ears and the, you know, the thing, that. So now I'm all done. It was fun doing this, but we're done, and we're gonna seal everything in of all the hard work that I just did. So I used my favorite top coat, the Pro Effects Script Dry High Gloss top coat. It's my favorite, and so I apply that on every nail. And this is how my unicorn lovely nails turned out to look like this week. So you guys, I really love this nail tutorial. It came out pretty good, pretty well, pretty everything. This nail tutorial is pretty easy if you want to recreate this yourself. It's very easy. You just gotta take it step by step and be patient. Patient is key with nail art. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and want to recreate these yourself, go down below and hit the like button, and down in the description box will be everything that I use down below. So go ahead down below and check everything out and read what you can. And also while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out some other cool fun videos that I do throughout the week. And if you're new here, check out other videos that I did since I started this YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I catch you back next week with another nail tutorial. What would it be? Who knows? So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week. Bye.